Oh, what a feeling. Toyota.
Hey guys, it's Sean here from Phil Gilbert Toyota Lidcombe, and we're currently sitting in the all-new LandCruiser 300 GR Sport. What a car, the long-awaited arrival. It's only been in stock for a couple of weeks now. This one is here on our front line for all to see. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tell you just a few things about the vehicle. Only available in 5 seats, okay? Not available in the 7 seats. You've got the two-tone leather with the perforated and heated seats. Now, something amazing with this in terms of refined luxury, your passengers in the rear also have heated seats and the cooling seats as well. So that's something that you haven't seen in the previous 200 series. Now, in terms of the engine, it is an all-new engine. It is a 3.3 litre twin-turbo 6-cylinder diesel engine, 227 kilowatts and 700 newton meters of torque. So in terms of torque, it is a touch more than the previous 200 series. This vehicle, extremely refined, luxurious, 14-speaker JBL sound system, wireless phone charger. As I mentioned, dual zone climate control, air conditioning also in the rear as well. Sunroof at the top here, and quite a large middle compartment there with a cool box as well. So there you have it. All that's needed is for you to come in, take it for a test drive, and see for yourself the absolute luxury of the all-new LandCruiser 300.
Oh, what a feeling. Toyota.